Welcome student. Again I will going to explain some example for RS system. In last class we have actually I have taken 3 example, and all these 3 example having 3 dimensional geometry. They all was in a 3 dimensional shape. Okay. Now suppose your example is like this: Fisher projection formula. If your molecule is written in Fisher projection formula, this is Fisher projection formula, or we can write like this, as we have already explained. I already explained Fisher projection formula. Go through that video first. Okay. For this structure or formula, we have to give RS notation. If this structure is in 3 dimensional form, then it is very easy, because in that structure we can identify which group is on front side, which group is on back side. Okay. But for this, what we have to do? Here we don't know. For this, how to give RS notation? See, very simple. Again same step, identify asymmetric carbon atom. Here this is the asymmetric carbon atom. Okay. This cross, the intercept point cross vertical and horizontal, that point is nothing but asymmetric carbon atom here. Okay. This is asymmetric carbon atom. Again 4 groups: CHO, H, CH2OH, OH. Among these 4, give priority. Priority 1, 2, 3, 4. Priority is given 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next step 1, 2, 3. Next step, identify lowest priority group is on front side or not, back side or not. We want that group on back side. Okay. Here lowest priority group hydrogen, is it on front side or back side? We don't know. But in Fisher projection formula we have already mentioned that horizontal group substituent will be on front side in 3 dimensional structure. That we have already explained. I already told you those substituent which on horizontal formula, horizontal line, that will be on front side in original 3 dimensional structure. It means our hydrogen or OH group, these 2 on horizontal line, means it is on front side. Means hydrogen as well as OH group, both these substituent on front side. Means lowest priority group is also on front side. Then what we have to do? We want this group on back side. Back side means vertical side. Vertical substituent on back side, horizontal substituent on front side. That was in Fisher projection formula. Okay. But then what we have to do for this? We have to rotate. Okay. If we rotate, the things become complicated. But simply remember that this hydrogen is on front side. Okay. Now give RS notation first for this, without rotating this molecule. Give RS notation 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. What is the type of rotation? Anti-clockwise rotation. Clockwise rotation means if rotation is anti-clockwise, then what will be the symbol? Capital S. But during this process we have not consider this lowest priority group. Lowest priority group is on front side, that we want in back side, but without putting this group on back side, we have given this symbol. Yes, but this is wrong. What we have to do? Convert this symbol into R. convert, just convert. This is the symbol for this. Means without rotation we can also give notation by simply with understanding that conversion. Just convert. During writing your answer, write S, not write R, not S. Okay, very simple. What we have to do? Identify a symmetric carbon atom, give preference, then start moving from 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Then identify rotation. Rotation is anti-clockwise, means your symbol will be S. But this group is on front side, so convert this S into R. So this compound has got R configuration. R configuration. Very simple. Okay. Here, then one more example. For this, any example, this is Fisher projection formula. Again I will write one more. It's a mirror image: chlorine, fluorine, bromine. These are the two mirror image of each other. Means enantiomers, they are enantiomers. We have to give nomenclature, RS notation. So identify a symmetric carbon atom, then give priority: chlorine, bromine, fluorine and carboxyl group. Carboxyl group is like this. Okay, so chlorine, bromine, fluorine and carbon. Among these four atoms, which is highest, which is having highest atomic number, that is bromine. Then chlorine. Okay. So here take hydrogen, not for example. Okay, then no problem with fluorine also. Take fluorine. Then third number fluorine and 4. Now start moving from number 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and lowest priority group is on front side or back side. Here lowest priority group is carboxyl group. It is on vertical side. Vertical side means back side. Okay, vertical means back, horizontal means front. Okay, so lowest priority group is already in back side, no problem. What is the type of rotation? Rotation is anti-clockwise, means S. No need to convert because lowest priority group is on already back side, S. Here chiral carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Then start moving 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Lowest priority group on vertical side means back side, no problem. So R. See, these two compounds are enantiomers of each other, and enantiomers will have opposite configuration. One enantiomers S, another R. Okay, so these are the RS notation. Okay, so student, go through this video and try to clear this concept, and if you have any difficulties then call me. Thank you very much.